Welcome back, it's Chris from Hagon Factory. As you all know, we went to Malden for the All British Rally this weekend. We took the Velo Hagon over and we put it outside the bakery. It was amazing the amount of attention that bike got. So there was myself, my beautiful wife Caroline and my father Alan Strawn. We're all getting around in our new Hagon Factory shirts, which we've got. So we've got some extra large and some large at the moment. So if you need one of these, let us know. It was a great day. It was just absolutely fantastic. I've never seen so many bikes and people. It was really good. Great turnout. So we've got some footage of that, and then we've got some footage of the 350 Velo build, this one here. So we've got the final drive is actually lined up now, so I'll show you that. It's worked out really well. No spaces on the rear hub or anything like that. We've really worked it out. Everything's in line. So it's going to be a great bike. So let's have a look. Righto, so we're on our way to the 45th annual All British Rally. So we're heading to Malden. We've got the Velo on the back, got my wife Caroline driving. So we're only going to Malden, we're not going to Newstead, we're not staying overnight, so we're just going to go for a few hours, get a bit of footage for you guys to have a look at. Hopefully we'll meet a few more people, and I think we might be the only Hagon in the street in Malden, so we'll see how we go. So I'll give you a quick rundown on the 350 Velo and the alignment. It's come up really well. This bike's going to come together really quick now. So let's have a look. Right, I've had a bit of a wind. Machined up the spaces in here to push the gearbox 10mm further across, which has helped line up the final drive. So it's actually bloody perfect, I'd say. It's as close as damn is to swearing anyway, so that's excellent. So now what I have to do is get the engine in the right spot, machine up some spaces for that so we line up the primary. And then once I've got all that bolted in tight, then we're going to work out enough space for the gear selector and for the primary chain to run through here. So we'll need to take some out of this plate. We definitely need to take some out of the plate on the other side for the gear selector. I'll show you that now. So as you can see in here, in there, the gear selector has bottomed out on the plate I've made. I knew this would happen. There's plenty of meat there. We'll give that a bit of a tidy up. And I have to make some spaces on this side as well. So I've roughly just got that sitting out at the minute to make sure it all works. So I'll get onto those and we should be looking pretty good. Right, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. We're on Facebook now, we're on Twitter, we're on absolutely everything. Let's bring Hagon's back. Let's have a good time. Thanks.